It's almost the weekend, and if you want something sweet to end the week with, Suji Halwa on the appliance is your way to go. You know, making halwa on the appliance is so easy. Like, you don't have to stand and stir and still end up with undercooked halwa stuck on the wall. Nightmare. You just choose what you want to cook, add all the ingredients, and appliance will cook it for you. Like here, Suji Halwa. So let's get the ingredients. So the first step is roasting your suji. I already have some suji roasted here, and I'll keep it aside till I need it. First, add all your nuts. 30 grams of cashews, 30 grams of almonds, and 20 grams of raisins. And let's cut our dry fruit. As you can see, it's cut properly. Next, we're going to roast the dry fruits. For that, pour large spoons of ghee and 1 small spoon of green cardamom powder. And now we'll saute the dry fruits. Crown off. Our dry ingredients are sauteed well and it smells amazing. So now we're going to cook the halwa. For that, we need 350 grams of water, 96 grams of sugar, and our roasted suji. And now we let it cook. And our suji halwa is done. This is beautiful. I can have it all by myself, and I am going to have it all by myself. Let us know in the comments what other recipes you want to see cooked in Appliance, India's first air cooking assistant. And to see more of Appliance in action, subscribe.